The tray, once you are doing a connection, already the top layer you have cut short. This is your shortest point, and the longest point is what? Underneath. So this is your one length point. You need to take a vertical sections. First, before cutting, what you need to consider and check. The first thing, put your comb here. So whatever grip you will hold, it should not go above. So this first layer, it has to be flat, right? Then secondly, once you are holding, just with the help of the comb, you can see. Now can you see my guideline of the length? This is there. So whatever in between with this longer and this shorter, whatever in between you need to cut. Now what to remember? First of all, my elbow, you don't block your elbow, it has to be open. You don't block your palm, it has to be open. And your finger position, when you hold it, the grip, the finger supposed to face the section, right? Once these all things is correct, then start cutting. Otherwise, until this is not correct, don't cut, right? So what we will do? We'll grip it. Now if I wanted to check, just hold it. If you are not able to understand, then check where is your shortest. This is my shortest. I will put it my grip. I will open my finger and then I will go like this. Very slowly, gradually you can. Now you can see this, the weight I have taken it. So my layer, if you will see, is more lighter in a weight, right? So still you have to do again. Connect.